In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira issue, whether you're decluttering your backlog, removing a duplicate, or simply cleaning up tasks that are no longer relevant. Deleting a Jira issue is a straightforward task when you know where to click. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently delete Jira issues, helping you maintain a more organized and efficient workflow in no time. Let's get started with the basics. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Jira account. If you're not already logged in, open your browser and navigate to your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, your first task is to head over to your work within Jira. Your work is essentially the hub of your Jira activities, and it displays your recent tasks, projects, and boards. It's a great starting point for almost anything you'd like to do in Jira. Next, you'll want to select the project that contains the issue you want to delete. Projects in Jira are your big containers where issues, tasks, and stories are organized. Depending on how your team is structured, you might have several projects listed, so be sure to pick the right one. Clicking on the project will open up your project-specific view, which usually includes things like the active sprints, backlog, and other essential elements depending on your project configuration. Once inside your project, look for the backlog section and click on it. The backlog is your workspace's holding area for issues that have not yet been moved to an active sprint. This is where you'll find a list of all pending tasks, stories, and issues that need to be addressed. In the backlog, you can easily browse through your list and locate the particular issue you wish to remove. After you locate the issue within the backlog, you'll want to select it. Selection in Jira often involves clicking directly on the issue title or ID, which could look something like Scrum 2 for projects using Scrum methodology. This action will reveal more details about the issue on the side panel or an overlay depending on how your Jira instance is set up. Once you have the issue details on display, you're now ready for the crucial part of this task. To proceed with deletion, look for the icon represented by 3 dots, often called the More Options menu or the Kebab menu due to its distinctive design. Clicking these 3 small dots usually presents you with a menu of additional actions you can take with the selected issue. This menu is where some of the more advanced options are housed, including the ability to delete an issue. Finally, reviewing carefully to ensure that you are indeed set to delete the right issue, click on the Delete option from the 3-dot menu. When you click Delete, Jira will usually prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is a significant step because once an issue is deleted in Jira, it cannot be recovered easily. This confirmation step is your last chance to double check everything. Upon confirming, the issue will be permanently removed from the backlog and your project records. To recap, begin by navigating to your work on your Jira dashboard, select the relevant project, head into the backlog, select the specific issue you wish to delete, click on the 3-dot menu, choose Delete, and confirm your action in the resulting dialog box. Being able to delete issues effectively means maintaining neat project management spaces, avoiding confusion with unnecessary or outdated tasks, and ultimately better collaboration with your team. It can also help in keeping your sprint plans clean and spot on with the right focus areas. As a tip, always ensure that the issue is entirely unnecessary before proceeding with deletion. Sometimes it might be more beneficial to mark an issue as done or move it to a different project or backlog if relevance may return in the future. Thank you for watching this guide on how to delete an issue in Jira. With these steps, I trust you will have a smoother experience managing your projects. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Jira tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep your workflows productive and your tasks relevant. Goodbye.